Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. The suspect's car sped away at high speed, weaving aggressively through wide streets, desperately trying to escape the tight pursuit by the police behind.
Give me the channel, get you now. 126, you're heading up the trailer, going about 40 miles an hour. Turn left. Hurry, go out, go up front. Coming up 37 now. Coming up 37. Going eastbound on the Dell now. I can't see him, just following the trooper. Got him crashed, Circle K running.
The car was wrecked after losing control and crashing into another vehicle, ending the reckless actions and the looming danger across the city. The suspect's car desperately tried to escape, plowing into a cornfield and tearing through a residential area, shattering the peace with a series of dangerous and chaotic actions. It all ended when the car plunged into a deep ditch. The suspect was arrested on the spot, concluding the dramatic escape attempt in inevitable failure. Ignoring the order to stop, the driver accelerated and crashed into another vehicle. In a desperate act, the suspect recklessly climbed onto a police car in an attempt to escape, further escalating the danger.
He's stuck in some traffic behind a school bus. I
Right, just past the school bus on a double yellow, it almost went head on. We're passing the CNC furniture store right now. Coins, right? I'll see y'all.
If you like this video, comment no. If you don't like IT, comment yes.
Speed 23.
With support from other units, the car was forced to stop. The suspect fled into the woods in an attempt to escape, but was quickly apprehended, ending the chase and the failed escape attempt. The chase began when police stopped a drunk driver speeding over 80 miles per hour through a residential area. The reckless behavior caused several vehicles to lose control and veer off the road, escalating the situation to extreme tension.
Yeah, he just hit me.
Alright, we just hit, we have an awful car accident right by Bradley, we have a rollover.
The car was stopped after a series of violent collisions. The driver was pulled from the vehicle and now faces multiple serious charges. The chase ended, leaving behind 5 haunting accidents caused by reckless behavior. The sedan sped away at 90 miles per hour, immediately catching the attention of the police. The bold suspect switched seats with a passenger and accelerated to 135 miles per hour, putting surrounding vehicles in danger. The car spun out of control and crashed into a fence. The suspect tried to escape on foot, but was caught after a 45-minute chase with helicopter support. Inside the vehicle, police uncovered drugs, ammunition, and counterfeit credit cards, exposing a web of crimes. Upon spotting the stolen truck in La Palma, the suspect fled, unaware they were about to face an intense pursuit by the Long Beach police. At an unchecked speed, the suspect ran a red light, creating dangerous situations for surrounding vehicles and continued driving into oncoming traffic. A decisive Piet made the truck flip over. He abandoned the vehicle and ran but could not escape. A short time later, he was caught by the police. At a parking lot in Ohio, a car suspected of being stolen starts to flee at 80 miles per hour after being spotted by the police. The vehicle lost control, swerved onto the grass near North 271 entrance, and stopped. Police quickly closed in and apprehended the suspect. Speeding on I-20, the Mercedes-Benz C230 immediately caught the attention of the police, but the driver chose to flee in a dangerous manner. At nearly 100 miles per hour, the car crosses a muddy area, exits at exit 44 but loses control at the intersection and crashes into a power line. At a gas station, the vehicle quickly fled upon noticing the police, but soon after, the driver ended the chase himself with a sudden crash.
Logo, unreadable plate, not for me.
2014, where do you need me? 2414, where do you need me?
His hands up. Hands up.
Go, move! Keep your hands up! Keep them up!
24 to 14.
All right, slow down, slow down.
Yep. We get from the other side?
Going over, nice. I think we have everybody here.
Are you injured? Okay, do you need an ambulance?
I don't know. I got shot in.
All right, we're gonna get you out through the driver's door, okay?
All right. I'm gonna pull you.
Can y'all not hurt me, please?
We're not hurting you, dude.
All right. I'm gonna pull you though. Okay?
I'm not gonna be.
I know.
All right. Come on. All right. Ready? All right.
This is everybody, Wilson? It's everybody.